There's 18 authoritative powers listed in the United States Constitution. Controlling the behavior of the people is not one of them. Telling people to mask up, control behavior. Closing the market, making people think that they have to get a jab is controlled behavior, right? But then when you do it for one, when you protect one group, but you don't do for another, well, then you're clearly understanding that what's going on is egregious, but you're choosing favoritism. It doesn't work like that. So under my administration, it would have never happened. You would have still been able to continue to go to work. You would have never had to have been to mask up. Why? Because a paper cloth isn't going to stop what this supposedly, this disease or this infection, this virus that supposedly, it shut down the world's economy. And yet I was in the military. Whenever there was something that contagious, I mean, we put on that leather suit, we put on those oxygen tanks, we put on the mask, we donned everything on if it was that contagious. But a little paper silk cloth or something that came here from China to be masked up, nonsense. And then stand 6 feet apart, nonsense, right? I don't want to keep going down that path, but the problem is that you need representation that understands vested authorities and to ensure that the right of the people are secured. So when sheriffs did not step up for the people of their county, they failed their people. And when they went around ensuring that draconian mandates were suppressed, aside from their own people being protected, then they enforced draconian mandates and they violated their oath of office. They should not be in that seat any longer, including all the people who are in the board of supervisors, city councils, and mayors. Anybody who agreed to this, legislative bodies who agreed to this, violated their oath of office. Their job is to step down and remove themselves. Because again, the Declaration of Independence is very clear that people are above government at all times. How do you know this? Because it says that governments are instituted among men to perform one job, and that is to secure the rights of the people. That's it. That's their only job.